Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. Today's lesson is as easy as the present tense. We had the present tense, the first lesson out here. Incredibly easy. This will take you literally 2 minutes if you understand the present tense. This is from my book. You will find the link down there. If you want to have the full book, it has exercise and everything. It's great to get a full preview on that topic. The future tense, if you remember the present tense and how we had it and how we associate every pronoun with a certain prefix or a suffix, same way it is here in the future tense. The only difference is the present tense, I'm saying something is happening now or something that is happening in general. So I want to say I go, أنا بروح. I eat, أنا باكل. So either it's happening now or it's just something in general. With the future tense, it's something that will happen, something that will happen in the future. So if I ask you, I am eating, I don't have to say this is in the present tense. You just know because I'm eating, it's happening now, it's happening, in this moment. So I go أنا باكل. In the future tense, I will give you 5 seconds to guess what other sound will we use in the future tense. Keep in mind, it's exactly the same construct. It's exactly the same concept. Nothing changes except the sound. It's like actually just the sound changes. Out of the whole English alphabet or out of the whole Arabic alphabet, which letter do you think replaces the B here? 5 seconds. If you said Z, I don't know why I would think you would say Z, but if you said Z, that's incredibly far off, but that's fine. It's H. It's H, okay? But it's not only H. If we take a look here, let's take, for example, yakul. In the present tense, what was it? It was أنا باكل. أنا باكل. Okay. This looks fairly similar. أنا هاكل. Okay. For أنت, okay, it was أنت بتاكل. أنت بتاكل. بت. أنت بتاكل. So in English, it was written B-I-T. And in Arabic, it was written به. Well, here it just is written ه. And in English, it's written H-A-T. Hat. Hat. Interesting. بت. Hat. أنت هتاكلي. أنت بتاكلي. Inti bitakli means you are eating for a female. Inti hatakli, it means you will eat for a female. Or you for a female. Interesting. هو هياكل. هو بياكل. به يه. B-I-Y-H-A-Y. هي بتاكل. هي هتاكل. She's eating, she will eat. هي هتاكل. ها. احنا هناكل. احنا بناكل. هن. هن. انتوا هتاكلوا. انتوا بتاكلوا. هم هياكلوا. هم بياكلوا. Now, let me ask you for something. I want you to pause, look at this table, and compare it mentally with what we had last time. Present tense. You look at this. Let's say, because I think most of the people I'm teaching here do not know how to read Arabic alphabets, which there is nothing wrong with it. So let's look here. If you look at this, you see that it always starts with HA. In the present tense, it starts with BI and then BIY, unless for Anna it's BA, but it was BIY, BIT, and then ends in O for into. In the future tense, it always starts first with HA. Always starts first with HA. In the Arabic alphabet, it always has he with a fatha first. He with a fatha first. Okay? So, in the English way, always HA. In Arabic, always he with a fatha first. Okay? And then you put the normal thing from also present tense. Meaning, if it was bit, it will be het. The only difference, the bi is gone or the bih is gone, and then we put a he or ha. هتاكل. انتي بتاكلي. انتي هتاكلي. هو هياكل. هو بياكل. Same thing. Just change the bi and just put ha, and then take the last sound, not the last letter. The last sound meaning, the last sound can be just a T here. So for inta, it can be the last sound is only the T. Or here the T. What if it's into? Will I take the last letter? Because the last letter would be the O. No, you take the T and the O. So into هتاكلوا, into بتاكلوا, and so on. This is the future tense. That's it. The same way you conjugate the previous verbs we had, the same way you conjugate these verbs right here. Same exact thing. Does not change a tiny second or like a tiny bit. Same thing. I told you, if you know the present tense good, you will know this tremendously easy, and it will take around 2 minutes. Maybe I over talked, so like it will exactly take you 2 minutes. The only thing is practice, 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 practice. Keep practicing. Verbs in the present, verbs in the future. Keep doing this one time, keep doing this one time, blah, 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 and so on, until you get good at it. It's incredibly easy. Incredibly, because it looks the same. It's just a different first letter or like first sound. That's it. Okay, guys, ma salama. See you in another lesson soon. Incredibly easy. Don't get frustrated. And bye bye.